So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you or walk you step by step on how to set TPs and SL, okay? How to set take profit and stop loss on the Bybit exchange. So first, you need to log into your Bybit account and then you go to derivatives, okay? I want to assume that you already have a trade that is running that you want to set take profit and stop losses on, okay? So once you go to derivatives, you'll see all of your trades. On the position option here, you'll see all of the trades that you actually opened up that are running here, right? So on each trade, as you can see here, you always see the set TP and SL, okay? Set TP and SL. So in case you did not set take profit or stop loss when you place your trade, for instance, if you use market order and all of that, this is how to do that. Once the trade is running, just go ahead and click on the set TP and SL. Now, once this dialog box open up, here, the first option here is entire position. So if you set your take profit and your stop loss here and it gets triggered, the whole of your position will be closed immediately. But if you want to close partial of those positions, you can use the partial position option to set your TPs and your stop loss. And this is useful if you have a trade that has multiple take profit levels, okay? You can use the partial option to close, let's say 10%, 20%, half of your position, or 75% of your position when it hits a particular take profit level, right? But to just set your take profit and stop losses, all you just need to do here on the entire position, okay, you can use this slider here, all right, to set your TPs and all of that. So I can go ahead and slide this and say, okay, if this move by, as you can see here, by 75%, which the price will be here, I want to close my trade. And then you can equally use the slider here, okay, and say if it moves by 30%, it gives me by 30%, I want to close the trade and all of that, okay? After that, you go ahead and click on confirm, and your take profit and stop loss will be set for that particular trade the way it is. And then when it is triggered, either the stop loss is triggered or the take profit is triggered, it will close your entire position, okay? And in a case where you have already set your stop loss, okay, and the trade has already gone to take profit 1 or take profit 2, and you want to move your stop loss, okay, to entry, what you will now do is to come in here. This time around, you are not using the slider, okay? You will just manually type it here, and at the top here, you will see where it says entering price. So when you are asked to move entry or stop loss to entry, this is what you want to do. So you come in here, delete this one, and type this entering price there, right? So you want to delete this, and then your entering price will be 0.06137. So you go ahead and type 0.061, okay, 37. All right, so you manually type that without using the slider. As you can see here, it says 0%. So if this market hits this as stop loss, you are losing nothing in this trade. All right, that is how to do that. If, for instance, it has moved to take profit target 2 or target 3, and you want to move your stop loss to take profit target 1, whatsoever the price of that take profit target 1 is, that is what you are going to manually type here, and you will see the percentage you will make in case the trade comes and hit your stop loss at that point. All right, that is how to set take profit and stop losses in a trade when you are trading on Bybit. I hope this video is helpful. If it is, give it a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe, okay? Hit that notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever we publish video like this. Now, if you want to get access to our free signals that we post daily on the Telegram, okay, make sure that you use the link in the video description or my bio to join us on Telegram, and you can start taking advantage of all the free signals that we send there daily, okay? And then if you don't have a Bybit account, use the link in the video description to sign up for one, and you can have a welcome bonus of up to $30,000 whenever you make your first deposit. That is it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next video.